Besides individuals, small and medium enterprises are the other focus of Singapore's FinTech agenda for a more inclusive society. An effective way to enhance the digital inclusion of SMEs is to get them plugged into common digital platforms that will enable them to enhance efficiency and expand their business opportunities. I will highlight how digital platforms are helping Singapore SMEs in 3 areas. Seamless cross-border trade. Second, enhanced access to global opportunities. 3, efficient multi-currency payments and settlements. In a small market like Singapore, to achieve scale, SMEs have to sell their goods or services overseas. But cross-border trade can be painfully complicated for SMEs. It involves multiple parties, from government agencies, logistics and service providers, to trade financiers and insurers, and countless documents, often with duplicative data. Singapore Customs has developed the Networked Trade Platform, or NTP for short. NTP is a one-stop trade and logistics ecosystem which digitally connects players across the trade value chain, in Singapore and abroad. All documents are digitized, and the process is digitalized end to end. NTP enables SMEs to share information quickly and securely with multiple parties connected within the platform. It also enables SMEs to apply for trade financing with multiple banks through a single application portal. It is not just cross-border trade that SMEs have to contend with. They have to look abroad for business opportunities, for suppliers and customers. They have to manage procurement, logistics, and supply chains, also across borders. To address these pain points, MAS and the Infocomm Media Development Authority have together developed Business Sans Borders, or BSB for short. BSB is designed to connect different platforms globally to help SMEs seamlessly access a much larger ecosystem of buyers and sellers. It uses artificial intelligence to introduce to SMEs essential financing and business solutions from service providers across the BSB network. For example, a Singaporean SME seller of kueh lapis, a type of traditional cake, was able to use the pilot BSB platform to connect and trade seamlessly with SME buyers on platforms in India and the Philippines. BSB also intuitively matched this seller with a local FinTech company which provided pre-shipment financing support for the trade. I'm happy to announce that BSB has been operationalized by a private entity, Proxtera, and is starting its live beta during the Singapore FinTech Festival. Next, making cross-border payments and settlements cheaper and faster for SMEs. This has been MAS's clarion call since 5 years ago, when we embarked on Project Ubin to explore the use of blockchain technologies to solve one of the biggest pain points for SMEs. The industry consortium and MAS completed the final phase of experimentation of Project Ubin in July this year, when we successfully tested a blockchain-based prototype for multi-currency settlement. We have also integrated commercial applications such as trade and supply chain financing with blockchain-based payment functionalities. Industry players are now moving from experimentation towards commercialization. DBS Bank, JP Morgan, and Temasek are leading the development of a digital multi-currency payments network aimed at enhancing commercial cross-border clearing and settlements globally. Pilot trials will commence next year. The goal of cheaper cross-border payments that settle round the clock and in real time is drawing closer. SMEs will benefit greatly when this becomes a reality.